The workshop was a very interesting event that allowed us to show the similarities and the opportunities to advance the WASH agenda in Pakistan.
I had met with plenty of officials and plenty of stakeholders in the water sector, and I hope that we will be working together to achieve the goal of better sanitation for the people of country.
Stunting is a big challenge in Pakistan, it's a big issue, and if we don't act now, it's going to be too late. So I think we need to direct all our energies towards providing safe drinking water to people in Pakistan.
I myself is working on WASH. Our main target is towards stunting. So we got to know that there is a lot of research gap where we need to address stunting.
The word used in this workshop was a crisis, and I very much appreciate this word. I understand that if we have to tackle a crisis, the solution must be on warfitting. This should be declared as a national emergency.
It's excellent that they're working on such an important topic, and I'm looking forward to the roadmap and the action plan that will be developed after this 2 days of deliberations for the WASH platform that the World Bank is planning to develop.